Hi mga ka-friendship! Good morning! Say hi kids! Good morning! Ayan na po, nag-breakfast na po sila. And wala na yung Christmas tree namin. Nalinis na po namin. Ayan. Hi! So today, I'm gonna cook or I'm gonna bake a sushi. Salmon sushi. So, first thing is, we're gonna cook rice first. Usually, ganitong size lang ng nagawa ko for us. Sushi rice. And there's another plastic. We're gonna add it. Usually, 3 cups lang to. So, we're gonna wash the rice. Then, we're gonna get the cup with mineral. 1, 2, 3, 3/4, I guess. Usually, we put rice vinegar. So, wala akong rice vinegar. I just put regular vinegar. Little bit lang, tansyahan, para lang magkalasa. Pero, meron ako rice, sweet rice seasoning. Tansyahan ulit. And, halo natin. Then, after, gonna put it here. Cook it na. Here we go. We'll just wait for the rice. Then, we're gonna get our salmon. So, I have salmon here. So, i-bake natin siya. Usually bake muna. I just put salt and pepper. So, we're gonna wash it first. Make sure you wash it properly. Then, we're gonna drain. Balisin natin yung tubig. Tapos, meron akong imitation crab. Okay. So, we're gonna put salt and pepper now. I have here salt and pepper. Nilagay ko lang dito. Kasi wala pa akong lalagyan for my Himalayan salt. So, I use Himalayan salt. Pero pwede naman yung like yung regular salt. But this more healthy. Then, pepper. Ako ay mahilig ako mag-invento. I put kahit ano, like flavorings. Ito, thyme. Mayroon akong nakitang thyme. We can put also. You know, yung pagluluto is like invento lang naman, right? Lagyan natin foil. Gagamitin ko yung small oven. So, ito na lang muna. I'm gonna make it half. Ito, chopping board. So, ito, lulutuin natin for the sushi. Tapos ito for, we're gonna eat later na lang. Tapos, we're gonna bake it. So, ilalagay natin dyan. I'm just using the small one. And I usually put 400. Make it, lagay ko na sa 30. And we'll wait. So, after, we're gonna make the sauce. Kalimutan ko palang sabihin sa inyo, we put some olive oil para hindi dumikit. Pero that's still okay. Mas kakalagay lang natin, right? Lagay natin para hindi siya mukhang dry and hindi dumikit yung baba. Although, it's okay. Hindi dikit yung baba, di ba? Tapos pag malambot na yung crab, imitation crab and the rice, then I'm gonna be back, okay? Para aluhin and I'll teach you how. Kung ano yung mga ingredients ko rin, ha?
Few moments later.
Okay, ito na yung naluto ko today. Tadaan! Yung sushi ko, kaya lang yung isa parang nasunog na konti. Pero that's okay. Diba? It's so simple, diba? Kung hindi sana nasunog. Pero that's okay. Masarap pa rin yan. So, we're gonna use this one. Iba-ibang flavor like this. So, ito lang yung nabili ko for now. I'm gonna get one. Try natin ito. Lagay natin yung try nyo to, maharap. Super. Labo. May fish ka ng kinain, may sushi ka pang biniko, diba? So, easy naman, diba? Ito ang gawin nyo. So simple. Yun lang po today. Tomorrow again, I'm gonna cook something or kahit ano. For now, bye muna mga friendship. So, lagi nyo tatandaan. Stay safe, give love, and be humble. Thank you.